to another video on the cycle kart build, and today we are working out the top half of the steering. We have this nice OMP steering wheel, which was a birthday present to me, and we've made a nice adapter to a quick release hub. And we have the bottom end of the steering, but we need a steering column and a way of attaching it up here. For attaching it here, we've got a bearing coming which has 2 points which needs bolting on the housing, so 2 bars will come down here, that'll bolt on there, and it'll have a couple of different heights so that we can adjust the height of the steering until we find whatever is most comfortable. And then for the steering column, it will primarily be this 16mm external diameter tube, but then for the hub up at the top end it needs this 19mm external diameter. The outside of this, it fits the inside of here. It's quite a tight fit, but that will then be welded on. This will be welded to the pitman arms, and there'll be another plate to stop it sliding down through here, so it'll all be nice and strong. And then I'll have steering on the kart. I've just finished fabricating the top support for the steering. It's just this bearing, 20mm bearing, and it's a rotating one in the casing so that it can go at the correct angle for the steering. But it's just attached to these 2 arms, which will be welded here onto the chassis, not the chassis, the frame for the bodywork. So then when the bonnet's along here, it'll lift up and you'll be able to access that if you want to raise it anymore. But hopefully this should be the correct height. We've reached another milestone in the cycle kart build. The steering is now complete. Just clamped on some wood as a temporary seat, and the axle was just sort of quickly constructed. It doesn't have any of the bits and pieces that hold it all together, just held on. And we just rolled it down a hill with me in it, and it works. It all rolled smoothly, the steering worked smoothly, which is very exciting indeed. And it's looking quite neat.